Hi, welcome to new Cube video. I am Pavel Savyanko, and in this video I demonstrate you three item marker plugin of CubeGUI. Let's do it. We are back in our terminal, and in this video I present you another standard CubeGUI plugin, TreeMarker, and show you what you can do with it and which functionality it provides. So for that we start Cube and open an example of cube file of the typical measurement, like for example this one. As usual, we see a metric called tree and system tree, and we would like to use the plugin TreeMarker, as that's exactly it does exactly what it says. It marks, it puts a marking on a tree element, which serves you later on simply as a reminder, maybe that something important related to this specific tree element. And because tree is not specified, it is valid for metric tree, call tree, and the system tree, and the flat tree, and any other trees. So first of all, if one goes to menu plugin and takes a look in menu activate deactivate, it should be checked. So tree item marker. So it is checked. It means this plugin is active and is available for the user. So one finds the plugin is actually in context menu. If one selects the tree item, for example this, do force, and one would like to mark it, simply to keep this tree item in mind, for example, one clicks with the right mouse button, and one sees here is the menu item, mark this item. So if we click it, and we see that this item is now marked, and it carries this markings. This marking or this marker preserves if one changes metric. It simply shows us that here is the marker. If one collapses the subtree, one sees that this frame is displayed, signalizing that there under the in the subtree some item is marked. So, and of course one can expand marked. It will expand the tree so far that one can see the marked item, and it expands also one level lower. So that is first and main functionality of this plugin, basically marking the tree items. It can be in a call tree, it can be here, it can be also in a system tree. This is useful if one, for example, works on one measurement and one I don't know, concludes something or find this tree element important for further analysis. So one can mark it, one can name it, like for example set a market label and name it like in something like that. So one puts a note on this tree element, and if one proceeds, one, for example, can put here marker, and if during the work one selects, like for example, another cube file and works with it and then returns back to this measurement, the markers is preserved, and if this label is meaningful, one can proceed with the work where one stopped. So that is the main and basic functionality of this plugin, to mark the items, tree items. Another functionality is a little bit specific. It's related to tasks and call tree itself. And for that we open an example of cube file, like here, related call sites. And this is example of a cube file or measurement where score P stores information about tasks kernels, not only where they called, but also where they are executed. So across the call tree, there is a connection between the kernel and the place where it is has been invoked. So therefore, we use this plugin to display this relationship. So for example, if one goes here in a subtree kernels, these are all tasks kernels, and one can see that there is a marker chain. So this kernel is connected with another part of the call tree, and there is a marker, corresponding marker. In this case, we see that it is under the main somewhere. So if we expand it, and we see that is this call tree. So in this call path, this kernel has been launched. And if we go further, we see that in another one, another kernel has been launched, and so on. And this connection is then displayed with this plugin. So this plugin basically displays this connection. As we see here, we have one additional tree, tasks. So the call, the Scorpy creates additional tree, call tree, where it gathers together the call tree of the tasks. And this task can also invoke another kernels. So therefore, there is a relationship between task and this task and the kernel, which goes across the call tree, and this is displayed using the such arrow. So it means that the related invocation side is in tasks subtree. So in this we see with this marker, and here we can investigate. Okay, this call side, this kernel has been launched in this subcall tree, and so on. And this this is a specific functionality which is related to task and CUDA tasks and CUDA kernels, and this is provided also by TreeMarker plugin. So I hope you like this video and you find this functionality useful in your measurement, and give us a like, subscribe, and comment, and see you next time.